Married man don't leave his wife for house, but people say they follow slave queen. Omo, can't see wahala now. Slave queen say they follow slave queen, but people now so they start a fight. Now so they ask, they say wetin cause this fight, because as at that time nobody know say the man even they married. Until talk on they bring another talk. Now so we can't find out say this man now married man. We go they follow another girl leaving wife for house. As they come they fight now, the girl come they talk say after he treat not treat and well after they meet and plenty wahala. And my people in the midst of the fight now, so this girl just bite this guy finger. In fact, the finger now half remain as soon as the hear like this. I say make her bring this matter on her side so that for una we know the man, una go fit help us go call him wife. This thing they happen for Benue State. Very, very important. So I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Leave that thing now. Why you gonna do like that now? Leave that thing now. Me, I tell you, leave that thing. Look, put your own hand out.
Stop, Oga, stop. Leave that, Oga, stop. What you bite me? What you bite me?
What is that?
Leave my shirt.
What is that?
Leave my shirt.
Leave him now.
Leave my shirt.
What did happen now?
Leave my shirt.
Not do that girl still bite you.
Leave my shirt. Leave my shirt now. Go leave my shirt. Leave my shirt.
About the thing was
Let me waiting follow me. Let me waiting follow me talk with that.
Peru's girl. Go deep.
Let me waiting follow me talk. Let me waiting and talk with that.
Slave queens, runs girl. I don't even know, because now I hear say that they many of these girls now they know they agree make you call them runs girl. They don't think. In fact, they go even to shan. Say na slave queen. Now lie they do underground work. My people, the kind things where these people they go through for this business where they do. The kind things where they go through. Nah, myself I don't tire. In fact, you don't and they still they do am. Una still they do am. See how they beat this girl. Tomorrow now she go waka again, dress up. Say she they go her normal business. What do you now want? No, what do you now want? Say now until person die. No, that one self not be even news, because we don't hear this kind of matter when runs get die, this one die. Una still they do am. What do you now they find? Which work una don't find? Una go tell me say una never see. And this man too. Hey, my brother. No, we don't even need debate this one. Obviously you they beat your wife. You just be animal. Shameless married man like you dey street. No, because I told you before, I don't even believe say this man a married man. You dey street, they fight like that, like say you be one single person. See as your hand they fast to throw away slap, but you dey slow to bring out money, say they give person. Since na business, my brother, you for pay am. Because it's business. Una agree on something. If you know say you no fit afford that, why you no go just dey dance OP so that we know say okay, this one. Now just your wife are the pity, my brother. Your wife. Hey, now she are the pity. Because after this incident, now you go house. When she see your finger, baby, what happened to your finger? Hey, now lie go come out for that your mouth. Hey, honey, if you see, I was attacked, I was robbed, and that one too, go hit water, they press am. Women they try, because many things where we not even they see, we go just only in the name of love. We love you, we love now poor giddy. I beg, this man they need arrest him. They need to arrest this man. See how they fight woman. Let's say now in fellow man. Chineke, my people, I beg, see. My mind right now they very, very full. Una say make una stop this work now. Make a need down beg una. Stop this work. Una say no, nah this one una want do. Say na runs get, say they fast, they pay you fast. Na daily payment. You know how many daily payment job they outside there where you go they get money every day. Una just the risk una life in case una no know. You go sleep with A, sleep with B, sleep with like that. The one wey A give you, you go pass am to B. The one wey B give you, you go pass am like that oh. But una no know. Spiritual things just dey happen. You dey meet different people. Sometimes sef una go even fit sleep with ghost, but una no know say na ghost. This is risky. Why una just decide say una like? No, seriously, abeg make una stop this thing o. Make una stop this thing o. I know any asha they don talk am before say na spirit. Once you start this work, e just dey like yahoo. Once you start am like this, to stop am, see, na just God fit help you. The spirit don enter them like this, they no fit just leave am. But I dey pray oh, say God go help una, because I no even know where we even dey go sef. Whether make we lock all of una up, abi make we even leave una like this, because una wahala just dey come every day. And please, men, if you know say you no fit stick to one woman, abeg do wetin una dey agree to do when una dey meet. Very important. Stop dey come disgrace yourself like this. See this one na married man. My people, abeg, I say make I bring am Benue State now. For una wey dey there, I dey repeat am again. Carry this video go show this man wife, because I dey sure say you don lie to her, say he was robbed, he was this one. You were not robbed, my brother. Just say the truth. Very, very important. I mean, when people start to drop the comment for that comment section, I just see wetin happen now, and I know soon I get many things to talk about. And make sure say you share this video once again. Everybody need to know wetin dey happen for this house. And if you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just click on that so that you go be updated anytime when we drop hot matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. Nothing we don't go see for Abuja oh. Hey, omo. My people, now this matter now, I don't even know how I want to deliver am, but abeg make una open una ear very well, because as I dey like this, I dey inside the mood. So see, just understand that anyhow you want understand that. Rose girl come agree with wetin they call them. Their partners, make I just use them like that. They meet on, so they say, okay, oh baby, what's up? Let's go down. I don't know where the down they. They say make they go down. As they can't agree, the girl can't tell her say, how much you go pay now? You know, normal level as they bargain the whole thing. Now so the girl can't tell her say, say na me na 15K I go collect oh. Instead of make the guy tell her say, babe, I no get 15K oh, I get 5K or I get 10K. The guy no talk oh, he just say say yes, I agree. Now so they go do the do. When they finish with the kululingus, my people, if una see, hey, wahala dey. This one they call her we die here. When they finish, the kululingus finish. Now so the guy come tell her say, oh, got my money oh. Now so the guy 10,000 from 15K he enter 10. Now so the girl say na like today, I go show you where you pass from your mama womb. No be joke oh. Now I bring her come aside. If una see this girl, in fact I don't give her name na Viper. So join me, make we watch the Viper.
Nothing person no go see for this one Abuja. Nah, see you. Chineke me. They get your head down for ya. Jesus. How much be your money? How much be your money? Why you no want collect transfer now? Shebina, what did I tell you?
Now this one they call you don't jam rock. This man don't jam. Chineke, Viper. See, even though I know they support this kind of work, like the work which they do, I know they support her, and I know if you advise you now to do it. You understand? I know they support them, but I beg agreement na agreement, my people. You meet person. You already know say na the work wey this person dey do, you still go there, you say na you won't do. Ngwanu, now you have done, you don't want to pay. Why you know? I don't understand. Some men, una no fit just use una mouth talk through sometimes. If you know say you no get 15K, kukuma talk babe, see oh, na this thing I get oh. You said you agree 15. You know say you know say you no get money, but you dey go carry runs get. Today, in fact, I wish say they feel may they just change am for this man, may come become times 2. This work already dey this difficult for these people. Una think say dey easy. Okay, even normal boyfriend and girlfriend na wey una dey do. No, how many times una dey do? Then imagine say in a day you must meet like 4 people before you go meet up your target, because according to them they say they get targets. E no dey easy for them. So anything wey you know say una dey discuss, abeg pay them, because nobody send you sef in the first place. You carry your 2 legs and your this thing, you dey go say you dey fine. Ngwanu, you don fine now. Some of these people, they know they happy with wetin they do. First of all, no, are they serious? All these girls when they see up, and not be all of, some of them normally they just they do it because their friends they do it. Some people they like that. I don't see them, but others they do it because of condition. You understand? So it no dey easy. Pay them. I don't just understand. Some men una own too much for this life. Una own don't. In fact, you don't pass another thing. They go tell una date one girl, stay with one girl, stick to one girl. You say no. Say you like egusi don't tire you. You like banana tire you. You go enter salad. Now the salad you dey chop like this, my brother, and make sure say make sure say after you chop am, drink enough water, or there you never see anything. If I be this girl, okay, maybe she no wear heels. Now that heel self I go even start with. Maybe this girl na new for the business, because I don't dey calculate. See, my people, I don't meet many of these people. Me, I dey waka o. Hey, I don't meet them, and I know their levels. This one, I dey show say na new person, because normal level, they call her, wetin they call her, pay before service. You go collect, they go tell you, say bros, you go pay because of the kind things where they don't experience matters like this. You go first give her im money before anything go down. You go pay am o. You never start. In fact, pay. If I be this girl, say I go make am 30,000. 30. And as for you, anti-viper, you are as if say your blood don't. In fact, your blood don't over hot. You don't. After this one, where you dey try settle, I just hope say una settle like in peace. I beg. See, I no dey judge anybody. Una suppose know me by now. I know they judge, but try stop this thing. No, how many times you want to embarrass yourself like this? Because this is an embarrassment. She feel no see am, but see, my people, make I tell you na something. Even ordinary boss, wey sometimes we dey enter bus. You understand? If conductor abi mate no wan give you change, maybe the change na 10 naira or 20 pesos. If they no gree give you change, if me, I dey shame self to even fight with them. No, that one, no, sex no dey inside o. I dey shame self to start dey say, hey bros, my money, I go waka leave am. No to talk of maybe the whole world come dey hear say, person sleep with me. Hey, my sister, abeg, I no dey judge you, but please, I no be just her dey talk to. If you dey watch me, you no say this thing na the thing wey you dey do. Abeg. I know they like hear that thing, because they get statement where some people like they make. I don't have a choice. Everybody get choice. I don't come correct to now. Everybody get choice. Very, very important. No be joke. The people who on the sea for road, they carry pure water, they say. They tell una say na wetin they want do. Well, una think say they no get garden, so that gundus too go enter pay them. Everybody get choice. They feel decisive to go they do the wrong thing, but they no want do it. So there is a choice. There is always something you can do in this life. I don't tell you that this thing before. They no born anybody. Wait, I go even call a skeleton. You were born with a gift. It gets something where only you feel do, nobody. Forget them. Even this music. Yes, we get thousands of musicians, but all of them get their. You get people, once you hear their voice, you know, say, this one. Something about you, they unique. So, Biko, I know someone they watch me, and you know, say this thing, they think and wear. Something they inside you will nobody get. This thing no be work. It no be work. Are they very serious? No, I don't stop laughing part now. Are they very, very serious? You understand? I beg, try. If now to go outside, I know say now the country they hard, I know. But see, Ungwanu, make I even use am from this angle now. You don't dey do this thing since. Many of una don't even dey inside this business long time. And I just dey hope say, even though na bad thing, una dey save. Ungwanu, the money now where you don't save. Why you no fit carry that money, start something, stop that work? Now just suggestion, no, I don't know how una dey see am. You understand? Carry that savings, start something. Now wetin I dey think? And if you never save, maybe you dey spend am as e dey come. Ungwanu, why you no fit just enter any shop? Say, madam, oh, I sabi sweep. See, you get choice. Forget am. Some people start this life. All these big people where you see, not be all of them go dey sleep around. You understand? Some of them are from cleaner. Before you know, it go dey happen. You understand? Now why I bring this matter out? You understand? So I beg. Think am. Sleep over am. Think am. You get choice. Very, very important. And when I know say I love una, anyhow way you be. People now why I bring this matter? So I beg. Start to drop the comment for that comment section. In fact, I still dey laugh because the gay action alone, it dey make me. Drop the comment for that side and make sure say you share this video. I bet we need help all these people. They need hear this message. You understand? They need hear them because some of them they feel say, see, some of them feel even want commit suicide. You don't know. So share this video. They're very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you're not going to get matters like this. Stay tuned for the next story.